Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing the Magic Storage mod and any required loaders. Do that first so files are ready. Once done, craft a storage controller, a storage heart, and at least one storage unit so you have the physical components to work with. Place the controller on a wall in a stable room and make sure the storage heart sits within roughly 16 tiles so they can link. This initial layout matters because it determines range and prevents common linking errors later on. Next, open the controller interface and add storage units to expand capacity. Each unit increases available slots so you can scale. Then use the transfer or deposit options to move items from nearby chests or your inventory into the system. This consolidates clutter and speeds retrieval. Make sure to tag frequently used items as favorites and use the search bar to filter results. Doing so saves time because you won't need to scroll through many pages when retrieving gear or materials. To finish, organize items using sorting options and categories so you can find things immediately. Set priorities for crafting ingredients and equipment. Expand functionality by wiring the controller to a remote or portal for off-base access, and test shimmer or transfer rules to automate workflow because automation reduces manual hauling. If something goes wrong, first check that the heart is present, within range, and not blocked by walls or mod conflicts. Often relinking the controller to the heart fixes the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.